Today is kind of a fun day. I get to skip work and go to my other work. But this work isn't work. How many times am I gonna say work? So I'm off to do a bride this morning. And it's kind of fun because this lady's super cool. I'm really excited to do her wedding. And it's just her, so no bridesmaids or anything. It'll go by quick. But I took the whole day off of my full-time job. And it's kind of fun because Tyler has the day off today too. So I think we're gonna go get a couples massage today. We both need it so bad. I'm literally blind without my glasses. Oh, it's a whole new world. I'm gonna be in Roseville though, and whenever I'm in Roseville, bad things happen because I go shopping. It's like, well, I'm gonna be there. You guys, I still haven't even found a tree skirt yet. You guys know I've been on the hunt for a tree skirt and I haven't found one that I like. So, actually, there is a Home Goods right by her house. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get some more Christmas shopping done. Anyone that is asking, I'm wearing the new, or my new, Dose of Colors. I think it's Bury Me, which is fitting. I'm going to a wedding. Bury Me on my lips. I absolutely love this color. I have yet to have coffee. That's a problem. But I think she might have some for me. And next up, bride.
You look amazing.
Super pretty.
You love it?
Yes, thank you.
Woo! It's hot. Ah. It's supposed to be like raining. Damn. That's a nice ass. On that Corvette. Ooh. She looked so pretty, didn't she? Gosh, I love her. She's so sweet. Okay, these people are like honking at me. Cool it, bro. I don't know where I'm going. I forgot to mention that Michelle and her hubby had coffee waiting for me with Bailey's in it. How did I get so spoiled? Thanks, Michelle. Where is it? They say there's a Home Goods. Ah! There it is! The Holy Grail!
I've been in here for 5 minutes. Look how cute those pillows are. For my bed. So cute. From the Holy Grail. True skirts. But I don't like any of them.
I had to get out of there. That was like a death trap, I swear. I left with clean hands. I didn't get anything. Are you proud? I could have easily just now spent like $150. And you know what I did? I'm like sort of proud of it, but I'm not because I wanted that stuff so bad. But I just put my cart aside and I walked away. It's so bad. The love for Home Goods is so real. If you're having to justify whether it's okay to buy for yourself $150 worth for yourself right before Christmas, it's probably not a good idea. So put it down and walk away.
For it, you just paid for the person behind you, and you're gonna make their day. Here's $2.05
Because somebody
for
paid for me.
Yeah, right?
Thank you.
Oh my god! Wow. Wow. So he said, when I pulled up, he's like, it's your lucky day. The person before you paid for you. So it got me thinking. You know how people start passing it on, like the good deed, you can't stop. I wonder if the Starbucks employees get a kick out of, like, who is the jerk that stops the, like, nice train, like the giving train. Like, you can't just be like, the person in front of you paid for you and be like, oh my god, thanks. Like, my first thought would be like, oh my god, well, let me do it for the person behind me, you know, like, keep it going, because I was gonna pay anyways. But who is that person that's like, thanks, the person behind me is screwed. 'Tis the season of giving. Made my day. Made my day. So I have amazing news. Our best friend Travis just texted us saying that he has 4 tickets to the Kings game tonight. So scratch the massages. We're going to the Kings game. Oop, 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 oop. Tyler's gonna be so excited. He doesn't even know what's coming for him. He's asleep. It's like the best day of hooky ever.
It's December. Why not go for a dip? Look how pretty it is out here. Hi, Benny. I'm here editing. It is gorgeous outside. Can you believe it's December? You love the pool? Do you love going swimming? Yeah.
We're going to the Kings game. You're too tall. I can't even fit you. Yeah. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You want to get in here? Come here. Come here.
Oh, my little family. Benny.
Hey.
There you go.
Hey.
Oh.
Stop.
Look at this mess he's made. He destroys.
The bony.
Kings game, Kings game.
Gonna beat the Suns.
Oh, we're playing the Suns.
Yep. Oh, really? Tyson Chandler's playing. He came to Station 16 last night.
Is Mike Bibby gonna play?
Stop.
Head into the new, what is it called again?
Golden One.
Golden One Arena.
Golden One Center.
Center.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. really without you on my side. But now there's nobody by my side.